3 members of a YouTube travel blogging collective have died after falling over a waterfall in Canada. Riker Gamble, Alexei Lyak and Megan Scraper were part of High on Life, who post videos of their travel adventures. The group said they were 3 of the warmest, kindest and most driven and outgoing people you could ever meet. Police said the trio were swimming at the top of Shannon Falls in British Columbia on Tuesday when they slipped and fell into a pool 30 meters (98 feet) below. Other members of the group, who have 1.1 million followers on Instagram and more than 500,000 YouTube subscribers, named the 3 on their Memorial Fund page and in a tribute video. They said, "There are truly no words that can be said to ease the pain and the devastation we are all going through right now." High on Life often posted pictures from exotic locations. Their Facebook page says, "High on Life is the attitude to embrace all of life's opportunities with a positive outlook and energy." Royal Canadian Mounted Police said they received a call about 3 people swimming in one of the pools at the top of Shannon Falls. The individuals were with a group of friends when they slipped and fell into a pool 30 meters below, a statement said. They added that teams had worked throughout the day to complete the complex recovery of all 3 people from Shannon Falls and that the file had been given to the coroner's office